Hello, welcome to my channel Tech Boosters. So in this video I am going to explain one of the Java's main concept, which is called method overloading. So it is one of the main OOPS concept as well. So what is method overloading? So method overloading in Java means defining multiple methods with the same name in the same class but with different parameters. So those parameters could be different in the number or in their type, or there can be difference in the order of their parameters being used or passed to that method. So what is the benefit of this using method overloading is that it will help you improve your code readability, and it will also enhance the reusability without needing a different method name for the similar set of operations. So basically overloading is like you are creating methods with the same name in the same class or maybe in the subclasses as well, but the difference is that the number of parameters or the type of parameters you are passing would be different. And second thing to consider is like, so there is a key point that you want to know well in advance, like methods must have the different parameter list. But one thing which is majorly required to understand is only return type alone cannot be used to distinguish overloaded methods. Means if you have created two methods with the same name, but those methods are only differing in their return types, so that will not be called an method overloading. So primarily their method names and the number of or the type of parameters will eventually decide that method is being overloaded. And one more thing, like overloading would happen in the either same class or a subclass. Okay, so I will give you a quick go through of the code. I will write a sample code that you can go through it, and it will help you understand this concept very well. So I have already opened my IntelliJ IDEA. So I have created already a class. So you can see here that this is the calculator class. So you can see that this calculator has four overloaded methods. So as I explained, this first method add, it takes two arguments, integer a, integer b. Second is taking three parameters, those are also in, so it is overloaded again. So now the third method is differing in the type of those parameters being passed, which is of double type. Similarly, this is again a the fourth method, which is taking one integer and another is a double type. So this is, so all four methods are differing in either in their this parameter type or object type or the number of parameters being passed. So here two arguments, here three arguments, in again two again, but differing in the type, which is not integer, it is a double, and it is a combination of integer and double both. So let me run this code. So suppose I want to let me create a calculator object first. Calculator calc equal to new calculator, and now suppose I have to sum two integer numbers. So what I will do, I will call calc dot add, and I will pass 1 comma 2, so it will return me, so this one, and I will, and if I add 1, so if I print this value add 1, so I will get the result like this. Let me run this code. 3. So now suppose I want to using the same add method, I want to do addition of three different integer numbers. So I will do int add 2 equal to calc dot add. Now instead of two parameters, I will pass three parameters, 1 2 3. And if I now print this add 2, Let me run the code again. So now it is printing 6. So in the same way, as you can see, this add method as the name, it is pretty much clear in this method is supposed to do addition, but arguments would be different or parameters would be different. So that is called overloading, means the same method name being used in the same class, but it has either a difference in the type of the parameters being passed or the number of uh, parameters being passed in there, and we will get accordingly different results. So I have given example of two different methods, which is taking two integers and one is taking three integers and giving different results. So you can try with other two methods, which is taking either two double parameters or one is a combination of one integer and double, and you can try it more clear while learning it yourself. So that's it from this concept of this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.